What is return in programming? This image is the best way to explain it. Return is like ejection seat. It takes a variable out of a method to be used for different purposes. You might say how to use it. Well, imagine we have two integers, year I was born and this year. We give them to a method named myAge. The method is going to subtract these two integers and returns a new integer named age. Later, we are going to give this integer to debug.log to print a message such as I am age years old. Now, let's start. The first step is very easy. Just write a simple method, void my age. It's gonna receive two integer, int year I was born, comma, int this year. Now in the method create another integer, int age, which is equals to this year minus year I was born. Until this point, we always write void for this method because the method wasn't going to return anything. But in this case, it's gonna return an integer. So we write int instead of void. Now all we need to do is take the integer age out of my age method, which can be done simply writing return age. In order to use the method, just write int how old am I. This method is going to return an integer. Now equals to my age. Give it two random integers. For example, year I was born is 1989 and this year is 2058. When you run your game, the computer will replace 1989 with year I was born and 2058 with this year. The method uses the given integers, subtracts them to make a new integer named age, and then returns it and put it in how old am I. And now all we need to do is write debug.log and write our message. By the way, in order to use a string and integers and other variables next to each other, you need to do this. First, write part of your message and then put a plus after it. And then write the integer, the float, your variable, anything except a string. And in order to write rest of your message, simply write plus, quotation mark, and rest of your message. And now when you run your game, you see this as your output. See? Easy peasy.